Welcome to this overview of timesheet entry and processing in NXT Time. NXT Time is a payroll timesheet processing and allocation system designed specifically for Blackbaud's Financial Edge NXT. In the next few minutes, we'll be reviewing timesheet entry, timesheet certification, and an integrated online communication center for employees and their supervisors. NXT Time provides a dynamic and user-friendly timesheet user interface. From the home page, click Manage Timesheets. This will open the timesheet interface. At the top of the page, the timesheet processing page provides the employee with a list of open payroll periods. Selecting or changing the payroll period in the drop-down, this will render the employee timesheet. In the timesheet, the employee can enter their daily time, enter specific work details in the notes area, and also communicate electronically with their supervisor. You may define an unlimited number of timesheet templates. Timesheet templates can be defined to allocate time to any single or combination of general ledger account segments, transaction codes, or custom transaction fields. This example timesheet is based on a user-defined template configured to track and allocate time by grant. In our general ledger, we refer to grant as funding source. To allocate time worked for this pay period to the grant being worked on in the timesheet grid, simply select the grant from the drop-down column. The list of available grants shown here come directly from your Financial Edge NXT grant listing. The assigned and selected earning code will provide the rate and the general ledger allocation method for that specific row on the timesheet. This timesheet example has the employee splitting their time for this pay period between two different grants. The associated notes field provides an area for the employee to record specific work details for each day. Recorded detail notes are available to be included in reports. Moving between weeks within the pay period is easily accomplished by using the forward and backward icons or by selecting the week from the drop-down. The Message Center provides an integrated means for the employee to communicate with their supervisor. All communications are associated to the specific timesheet and are available for reporting. Within the Message Center, one can review past communications or add a new communication. All communications are secured within the system and are only available to be seen by the employee and their supervisor. In order to keep the back and forth communications organized, NXT Time keeps communications in a conversational layout. The employee can make a timesheet template, their default timesheet. Default timesheet templates speed up data entry from pay period to pay period. Default timesheet templates are especially handy for employees who generally work in the same areas each pay period. Once an employee has entered all of their time for a pay period, the employee can certify their timesheet. The certification process in NXT Time changes the timesheet status to submitted for approval by the employee. It records the date and time of certification and then submits the timesheet to the employee's supervisor for final approval. The certification process also validates the timesheet to ensure the required number of hours for the pay period have been accounted for. Once certified, the employee's supervisor is notified. The timesheet is locked for further editing. This concludes the NXT Time software timesheet overview. For more information, please reach out to a member of our NXT Time sales team.